Hey everyone, Adam with SpeedAddictsTV, and today we're going to install Cardo Systems Packtalk Edge on this Alpinestars R10 full-face street bike helmet. Alright everyone, before we install this Cardo Systems Packtalk Edge communicator on this Alpinestars R10 helmet, make sure you surf on over to SpeedAddicts.com. That's where the entire line of Alpinestars helmets and Cardo Systems Bluetooth communicators lives. And of course, if you're in the Southern California area, make sure you stop on by the SpeedAddicts Superstore in Orange, California. Here you're able to touch, feel, and try helmets like Alpinestars R10 and check out the entire line of Cardo Systems Packtalk Bluetooth communicators. And if you make a purchase here, while you're here, we'll actually install the Bluetooth communicator inside the helmet if you don't feel comfortable doing it at home. But as you're going to see in this video, it's actually pretty easy to do if you have a little bit of patience and desire to learn something new. All right, everyone, let's get inside this Packtalk Edge box. Now, the cool thing about Cardo Systems products is the packaging. It's really slick, really nice packaging, everything you need to install your communicator inside this helmet. Now, once you open the box, there are some things that you may or may not need to use when you install the communicator inside your helmet. That's the cool thing about Cardo Systems. They really check all the boxes and give you a lot of accessories that you can use to really customize the communicator install. Now, beginning with everything, let's look at the communicator itself. Here it is. It has left-hand side orientation. So the reason why it has left-hand side orientation is so you can mount it on the left side of the helmet and keep your right throttle hand free to operate the motorcycle and continue riding, and use your left hand with the interface while you're riding. So always mount it on the left-hand side of the helmet. Now, the cradle is what this communicator is going to live in. It's got a magnetic mount which easily attaches into the cradle. That way it won't come loose or fall off while you're riding. There are two cables that are attached to this cradle. One cable is for the speakers and one is for the microphone, which we're going to get into in a second. Now, the way you affix this plastic clip onto the left side of the helmet is via this plastic clip retention device. Now, this plastic clip generally is a good option for most street bike helmets, and for off-road motorcycle helmets, generally you're going to want to use this 3M adhesive type adhesive mount. It's worth noting that when you mount the helmet with this plastic clip, you have a little bit more ability to adjust the mount. So you install it, you can move it far forward, farther back, and have a little bit more flexibility. With this adhesive mount, it's a one-time use mount. So once you mount it on to the helmet, it's going to live there for the duration of the mount until you take it off. For this particular Alpinestars R10 fitment, we're going to use this adhesive mount clip on the left-hand side of the helmet. All right, next up we have the JBL speakers. Now, this is really the secret sauce of Cardo Systems Packtalk Edge, are these JBL speakers that were engineered around 2019 in conjunction with JBL out of Southern California. That really gives you a real premium audio setup when you're riding this motorcycle. It's also worth noting that Cardo Systems offers accessory larger diameter 45mm JBL speakers for only $88. So if you want an approximately 25% increase in audio fidelity and volume, opt for those oversized 45mm JBL speakers. Still, these Packtalk Edge standard speakers work really well. Now, Cardo Systems also includes two different type of microphones. We have a boom type microphone, and then we have a more SVET wired microphone. Now, the boom type of microphone is for all of you folks out there who want the best type of audio quality when you're speaking and using the device. The caveat is the install is a little bit bigger and it might get in your way of your mouth while you're riding. It's just a little bit more cumbersome. That's why they include a smaller microphone. Now, when you speak, the quality of this microphone is really good, but maybe just fractionally less good than this boom mic. So just something to keep aware of. But for this helmet, we're going to use the smaller microphone just because it doesn't get in the way, and it just makes for a cleaner install, in our opinion. We also have a USB to USB-C type charging cable. This is the same type of charging cable that would come with your iPhone or any other modern piece of electronics. It's cool that this USB charging cable comes with it so you can charge your device when you're not riding. We also have a number of Velcro type adhesive mounts to mount the speakers inside the speaker recesses and mount the microphone inside the chin bar. It also comes with these Velcro shims, which is typically a part that we don't really use when we install these Bluetooth communicators. Now this part basically shims the speaker, so from the helmet to the speaker, and pushes the speakers out a little bit. I really, realistically, the reason why we don't use these things is because you'd have to have a helmet that's maybe too big for a smaller rider's head. That's when you'd use these. It's cool that Cardo Systems gives you a variety of mounting options, whether you're big or tall, short or small. Very nice. Lastly, the other thing Cardo Systems also includes is an alcohol wipe pad. Typically, is another thing we don't usually use, but if your helmet has polish or wax or some type of material, and you really want to make sure that that adhesive mount has good stick against the surface of the helmet, use one of these. All right, everyone, we talked about how we always want to install the Cardo Systems Packtalk Edge on the left side of the helmet. We're going to use this helmet donut just to make things easier. If you don't have a helmet donut at home, it's a great way to store and maintain your helmet. Now, again, like we talked about before, we're going to use the adhesive mount for this application. Now, this R10 has a very aerodynamic design that actually works, but the caveat is because of the aerodynamic design, you don't have as much surface area to get a good mount on the helmet. Now, when you're placing these Cardo Systems Packtalk communicators on the helmet, it's important to be aware that you don't want it too far forward, and you also don't want it too far back. Again, there's a lot of diffusers and external design elements that get in the way of this communicator to a certain degree. So we're gonna pick a location that's right in front of this Alpinestars logo. Of course, you can go a little bit farther behind if you want. With this adhesive mount, it gives you good flexibility. Again, these are one-time use mounts, so you want to practice where you're going to mount it before you mount it, but we're ready to go. We're going to go right in front of the Alpinestars logo, and it is okay to get this adhesive on top of the plastic trim. You still will get a good secure feel. So now we have it mounted right there. We press down, and it is affixed to the helmet. Now we want to get inside the helmet and get these speakers, these JBL speakers, installed into the helmet. And to do that, we're going to take apart this cheek pad right here. Now, when you're working on the inside of these motorcycle helmets, removing these cheek pads, you want to be fairly gentle removing the plastic pins. Now, these helmets are made very tough, but you still have to use a little bit of caution when you're removing these pins. These pins are a little bit delicate, so just use a little bit of caution when you do that. Now, when we're installing these speakers into the helmet, we always want to use the longer corded side on the opposite side of the cradle, because that's going to have the longest distance to travel to connect the speaker. Now, this Alpinestars R10 has really generous speaker cutouts designed inside the helmet that neatly fit these speakers. But for a really secure fit, we're going to use the included adhesive Velcro mount to make sure that those speakers really stay inside that recess and never come out. All right, we've got the first right speaker inside the helmet. Now let's switch over to the left side, remove the cheek pad, and put the right speaker on that side. All right, everyone, we have our shorter wired JBL speaker that we're going to mount on the left side of the helmet with the included 3M adhesive Velcro mount. And in we go. Nice clean mount. Now we're going to want to have these wires tucked away from everything. And to do that, we're going to remove this interior top crown liner and gently hide these wires behind that. All right, we have the speaker wires neatly hidden away. Now it's time to affix our microphone. Like we said before, we're going to use this Slimline wired microphone. It just allows for a little bit cleaner, less obtrusive microphone mounting option compared to the boom style microphone. We just mount it here with this also included Velcro adhesive tab, and we make sure that the wire is on the left-hand side of the microphone. We want to also make sure that we mount this centered in the chin bar away from any motorcycle helmet vents. That just gives us the ability to still use the vents and still have clear communication while we're talking. All right, folks, now it's time to connect the microphone to the Bluetooth communicator. Cardo System has nice arrowed markings on the microphone, so you know which way it needs to go. You plug it in, nice secure fit. Now we're going to do the same with the speakers. Instead of a plug, it's got an RC type jack, which we will install now. And now we're going to hide that behind the top crown just to make sure all the wires are out of the way. All right, folks, now that we have all these wiring all nicely tucked away, we're going to install cheek pads, beginning with the left-hand side. All right, folks, we have the left cheek pad in. Now it's time to put the right cheek pad in. Again, you want to use a little bit of caution when you put these cheek pads in and just avoid damaging those plastic pins. If you do damage those plastic pins, your helmet may not be able to accept them anymore, and it's basically not going to be a useful helmet. So just something to keep aware of. All right, everyone, we got our helmet all installed with the wires neatly tucked away. You just want to make sure if you see any excess wire, to tuck it away in the inside of the helmet material, and you'll have a nice clean install. Now lastly, we want to make sure we install our magnetic Packtalk Edge Bluetooth communicator, and now our installation is done. All right, everyone, it's worth mentioning, if you have more than one motorcycle helmet at home, Cardo Systems offers a second helmet kit for a price that is a fraction of what the Bluetooth communicator is. That second helmet kit includes the mounting interface, an extra pair of speakers, and the microphones, so you can literally take off this communicator and put it on your second helmet and stay connected whenever you ride. Lastly, if some of the internals of the Bluetooth communicator, like this speaker, gets a little funky, or the adhesive mount needs to be replaced for whatever reason, Cardo Systems also offers a refresh kit for a very, very affordable price, so you can always make sure your Bluetooth communicator is freshly prepped and ready for your next ride. All right, everyone, that wraps up our official install video of Cardo Systems Packtalk Edge Bluetooth communicator on this Alpinestars R10 helmet. If you're looking for more information on any of these products, make sure to surf on over to SpeedAddicts.com. And if you're looking for more videos on these things, check out SpeedAddictsTV on YouTube. And as always, if you're in the Southern California area and you want to see and touch any of these products, stop on by the SpeedAddicts Superstore in Orange, California. And we'll see you in the next episode.